It's been a while since I've started flying FPV drones. You already know that my entire fleet runs on digital O3 air system, but recently I've built analog freestyle drone. Maybe you've seen it. It is a 5-inch that runs on analog system. This is a TBS Unify Pro 32 and it works pretty good. Can't lie, it is amazing to have low latency and to see everything very fast and to have quick response. The image is that good, but still works fine. What's the point of this thing? A friend of mine ordered a tiny whoop that runs on 1S batteries. I was so curious of how that thing flies. It turned out to be really interesting. So 5 days ago, I think, I purchased one of that drones, and today I want to show you and to give you my honest opinion about this tiny quad. It is a BETAFPV Air65. So let's get started. Let's see what do we have in this small little package. I bought some propellers, some batteries, okay, some canopies, frame, so a purple one, a prop removal tool. What are these? Oh, this is a motor set. What do you think about these small FPV drone motors? Yeah, 30,000 kV. They're really cute. Of course, don't forget your screws, guys. Let's see what this charger looks like. It is a bit different because it is only 1S. It doesn't need to have a balance port for charging. They don't need to be balanced because it is only 1S. This is a 6S, so... And here we go. Let's take this out. Oh, that's nice. This is the charger. Here is the most important part of this review. And we also have a set of propellers. Yay! This is a way to connect it to flight controller because I don't think this has a port. So here is the drone. Okay, this is my hand and this is the drone. I think it's small enough. If you want to modify something in Betaflight, you'll have to connect this to the drone here. And you'll have access to Betaflight. Yep, exactly like this. It stays nice and clean. What I'm going to do is to set up this tiny quad here on the air system, give it a tune from Chris Russell here, and we'll see how it goes. Install higher rates maybe. This is still a little lazy. Should work just fine. Look what a beautiful view here. Okay, let's take one battery. Oops. Here is the masterpiece. Look at this again. It's absolutely amazing. This is a battery. And just like this. Okay, goggles set, let's go. Track on the goggles, and now I should have image. Let me have a seat. And now, with this quad powered on, I'll just start to make my talent. It flies absolutely phenomenal, you can see. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Hit something. Power up again. Now let's try something indoor. Ooh. Oops. Quick power loop. Let's take around here. Ooh, okay. Nice. Okay, let's take a look at the camera. Ooh, okay. Okay, I also have a split as location. Here it is. Ooh, nice. Nice. Such a nice rig for racing stuff. At this small size. Ah! Okay, let's try again. I wanna try this gap. Nice! Oh! Let's try to land it right in my hands. And here it is. That's so fun. Tata, take number 1000. Oh! Stay. Okay.
Hi, take
Okay.
1004.
Go, brother, go. Nice. Come to Papa. Hai că... Nice! Ooh. Back to editing, guys. I left you here a video of me flying and crashing at the same time, I guess. Yeah, here it is, a crash. This is the drone again. This is the BETAFPV Air65. It's only 123 euros. I think it's an amazing deal. Huge thanks to Alex for letting me film on his property. You'll see what amazing garden he has. Share, like and subscribe. It would help me a lot. See you next time, guys. Bye.